have been long overdue to make you guys my wedding DIY video. I'm 2 weeks away from the wedding, so I'm scrambling to get all the DIY things, which is why I was not able to get this video out ahead of time. I apologize. So I'm going to show you guys as I'm in process. My room is crazy messy, but hopefully you guys will be understanding of that and just kind of get an idea for your budget wedding and just find areas that you can save money on. So let's get to it! So these are my reserve signs for the pastors. I wanted to honor them because of what they do, so I just used plain watercolor cards and calligraphy ink. And then for my parents, I used special handmade paper. I put gold calligraphy ink on the tips and used watercolors. So as you see, my room is crazy messy, but I'm just in the process of making signs for the drinks. This is the wedding program that I made. It's a mock-up right now. You open it up. I wanted to personalize as much as I could, so I made a map. So a lot of what you see is like my horrible calligraphy, but this one is a mirror that we had at my house, and this is the welcome sign. It's welcome to our wedding. I wanted the mirror look, wanted this fairy tale vibes. So my bookshelf has transformed into storage. Okay, this stand is something I got from Daiso, and I also got the chalkboard from Daiso. And I wrote it with acrylic paint. I wanted to be kind of different and more personal with what fits my style, so I bought a journal and I thought they would sign it. And I thought it was cute and something that I would actually want to keep later on. Another thing that I did a DIY for is for this box that you see. So these cones will be used for confetti. I will have dried flowers that's currently been in my closet for like 3-4 months. And I made these stickers that just says, "Throw me in the air when the couple walks down." And the paper was on sale at Hobby Lobby. You know how Hobby Lobby has like those weekly sale deals? You just want to grab those and just be smart about where you purchase things. So we're just going to write on this. I'm going to clean it first. Okay, I just finished making this sign. It's for the reception. So those are some of the DIY things that I've made. With DIY, it can be very time consuming, so you might want to start with that ahead of time, or just be choosy about what you're going to DIY, because not everything is cost friendly to DIY. Some things are just cheaper to buy it yourself from the internet and all that. So those are some of my tips. Anything that I forgot in this video, just because it's so last minute and frazzled, I will put that all in the description or even make a blog post, and I'll link all of that. So I hope you guys have a wonderfully blessed day. Bye!